just look out for these things. Building control, they'll come in and inspect the footings. So before they inspect the footings, your builder would have dug the footings out and done it in a certain way. And when you look at the footing, when you're looking down into the abyss, if you like, you want to see clean, straight sides all the way down and a nice flat bottom. A building inspector will love to see that. He doesn't want to see bits taken out, doesn't want to see bits of roots sticking out or bottom that goes up and down. They want to see nice, crisp, clean sides ready for concrete, and that's exactly what they want to see. Depending on the ground, I mean, if it's quite sandy, as you go down, like sandy and what have you, then you know, the hole could cave in. So just to be safe on all my footings, as we're digging, we get down to a certain depth, the correct depth, and then we do a thing called shoring, which is basically a few ways of doing it. You could have a couple of pieces of timber either side of the inside the footing with timbers across. It just supports the outside basically, and you just do that every sort of metre or so, and that will protect it. Like I say, especially in like the sandy conditions where if you dig a hole, it might fall in. You don't want to be doing that because dangers obviously, and extra concrete. You know, ultimately it's there's loads of factors in it. But you know, this is down to your build-up. But when you're looking at the hole, and if it's open and there's no wood in there, no shoring, then you want to say to me, hang on, can we just can we do this properly? Can we get the right supports in there, especially on the corners? If a footing's ever going to collapse, it's always going to be on the corners. So just make sure it's in there basically.